How you doing?
How you doing?
Good.
Put your cell phone down,
No,
please.
no. Give me your phone.
We know I know that you're able to, but what's the reason? We don't understand.
If you know I'm able to, then why are you calling the police?
Why? Because we need you removed from the.
You're gonna take my phone.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Well, Ronnie, that's a very good possibility, unfortunately, but we don't have a file.
Janela, is my badge up there? File at the file? Yeah. No. I had to have had it to get in.
Now, is there a motion for transcript
Oh,
of
it's right here.
a specific, IFP?
The trans, it's up above it.
Well, we need to get it down.
It's that one.
Well, that was from earlier.
But I don't know that he's gonna need it.
I know, we have that.
Yeah. Okay, so what we did, we made a copy of the court sheet with the judge on the 13th of April. It was in the file,
Okay.
showing the continued date.
Right.
Okay, and then we made a copy of each one of the letters that had been sent from the very beginning, the first letter on through to the most recent one.
Oh, great. So that's probably all it is that they're trying to send me.
Right.
And it just turned into this big fiasco that it didn't have to be. Because what happened, so this actually was, I found one of these things laying on the ground literally. And I had made a records request to the PA Office of Records. And I actually thought this said PA and not DA. So, and then I emailed to the person I had been contacting and said, are you trying to send me certified records or something through a certified letter? I said, I can't go to the post office. And they never really responded to that whole thing. And then after they had my first trial that I didn't even know about, I got a thing from probation office saying that you owe restitution to Dauphin County for $348. So then I figured out that they already had my trial. And then I figured out it must have been a letter. And then I just got this at my house. And then you see on the back, it says, go to the Lower Paxton Township Post Office, where I've been trespassed for standing in line, holding my phone. So it's turning into this big thing that I didn't even know what was going on. So I guess this is what it is just these two letters. There's nothing.
Well, I think there's
three of them.
There's three.
Oh.
Everything that was in there, she made a copy. And this is the record that you were in on April 13th, and that the judge continued it to May 26th.
Yeah.
So do you still need the transcripts since...
I wanted the transcript from the case continuance because of what I said to the judge. So I looked up I started reading the Constitution. So Article 3, Section 2 of the Constitution entitles anyone to a jury trial unless it's an impeachment thing. And so that's why I requested that the judge grant me a jury trial. And of course he denied me, because that's what they do to people. They don't want to follow the Constitution. They just pick and choose whatever they want to do at certain times. And so it's just become this big racket of just bringing people in. Most of them are poor people that can't pay for an attorney, and they just get railroaded in the system. And I'm seen to be part of this now because of just these ridiculous things.
Okay, well, you have to, this is the form you have to fill out to waive any of the transcript costs.
Right.
If you're going to get subpoenas, then there's another IFP that you have to fill out. It's individual paperwork because the transcripts go through the court reporter's office. They don't actually go through our office. The other IFP is because it goes through our office for the subpoenas. So
Okay.
you would need to fill out this form and an additional IFP form.
And where do I get that other IFP
We
form?
can get you that.
Oh.
I
You guys
just
have been,
wanted to-
let me just say, you've been so helpful because no one has been helpful at all. They want to charge me with these ridiculous things. And then here's even the kicker of the whole thing. So I have this little rental property. I have people that have physically assaulted me. I have it on video where they have chest bumped me, took a swing at me, hit me, grabbed me, took my phone, did all kinds of stuff, stole things from my property, thousands of dollars. I did a civil criminal complaint. Get a letter back from Mrs. McNulty saying that she's not even going to prosecute. The police don't want to prosecute. These people do all this stuff to me. It's just utterly amazing. And then I literally go to the post office and then get this heinous crime, the crime of the century, standing in line with my phone.
Well, this one here is for like if you want to file anything like for subpoenas or anything else in our office. This is actually for the transcript because that goes to a separate place to cover for the transcript
Okay.
fees. Okay?
Okay. So I have to have this filled out and submit these both at the same time.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, I'll be back.
Well, good luck.
I mean, this is what I do constantly now. People don't understand. Like, this is just craziness.
Well, you have all the paperwork there, so it should help you.
Yeah,
Okay.
Don't forget that. All right?
All right. Thanks.
You're welcome.
What's your name?
I'm not telling you my name.
Yeah.
When there was nothing wrong. So Gary Wright. He said this to Gary Wright.
So here we go, guys. Yeah, leaving the courthouse with their little Nazi regime. No, they don't want to identify. They don't want to be accountable. They just do whatever the freak they want to do.